Hello, what is going on, guys? It's me, Anna Fan from Detach. Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today I'm going to show you how to make a shoebox out of an wooden speaker box. This shoebox is for people who live in small spaces just like me. It is estimated that this shoebox can contain 2 pairs of shoes. So let's dive in. So the first step, we need to remove all of the attached items out of this speaker box. You might need a suitable screwdriver to get that out. Next step, detach one of the long edges of the speaker box. The two that I'm using here are a hammer and a chisel. Be careful of the inside nails that attach the pieces of wood together. Note that after getting the speaker box opened on one side, you must use the hammer to make sure all of the nails getting taken care of. In the third step, we're gonna remove the nylon cover out of the plywood. The best tool to use here is a small razor. You can use a ruler to mark out straight patterns for easy removal. Next step, we're gonna use a piece of sandpaper to make the surface of this wooden box smoothier. I can get around the edges to make them look better. In this step, we utilize a metal label from this speaker box to make a piece of name tag for your shoebox. Since it is plywood, with this small box you can either use a drill to make holes for screws, or you can manually use a hammer and a nail to make it work. Alright, just add a name tag here and write out your name, for example, Anna Fan. Moreover, you can turn the piece of wood that you just removed and utilize the legs of this speaker box to make a basement for the current shoebox. So let's see here. Last step, put your shoes in the shoebox and you're all set. Notice that we can put some pairs of shocks right from this round door. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Anfan from Detach. If you like this video, please share it with more people, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.